Banks are looking for process improvements, ways to improve their efficiency that gives them better profitability and allows them to focus on their products and services and stay compliant with federal regulations. They're looking at paper handled in the branch offices and then directed toward the central locations. So our Lexmark offering, we focus on capturing that information, managing that, and then delivering that information and being accessible. So the demonstration I'd like to show you today talks about a loan origination process. And these loans can be originated online with e-forms. They can be a phone call to a support center, or they could be the branch locations where it's a one-on-one meeting. So all three of these processes require trailing documents. These are documents that supports the income or assets of the applicant. And you might notice these are tax forms, applications that require a wet signature or verification of employment. So this demo, we'll use our multifunction device with our custom touch panel and our back-end software from Perceptive Software, ImageNow. The user, in this case the loan officer, initiates the process with a branch capture custom icon. The loan has already been established, so the best thing that I do now is tie these documents to a certain loan number. The operator is prompted for that loan number. That's keyed in at the device. And now the task is to associate that loan number to these documents. I initiate the scanning process. I'm instructed to feed that into the device and proceed with the scan operation.
As the documents are sent in centrally, ImageNow by Perceptive Software takes over the process. The first thing that is done is the document types are identified by a recognition agent. After that, based on the loan information that is entered in at the actual device, ImageNow will then identify the actual index information for this loan packet. So I'm logged into my loan origination system and I'm working on Jane Doe's loan at this particular time. I can then navigate over to my workflow queue in ImageNow for processing, where I will actually find the loan packet. Here I can identify immediately that I'm missing the required documents for this loan. I can open up the actual packet. I've got a summary right here in my mortgage checklist, allowing me to see and identify immediately which documents I might need. I just received in an email from Jane today her appraisal, and now I'm going to attach that appraisal into her loan packet, which will complete my required documents list. At this point, I've got all of the required documents. I will route this forward to the underwriter for approval. And that's where the underwriter will log into ImageNow, click on the loan underwriting workflow queue, and they will find the loan packet for Jane Doe. And then they can acknowledge that they've reviewed the documents and they're going to go ahead and approve the loan. So anybody throughout the organization that has the appropriate security can now access these documents. And they can do that in the context of their business application, in this case the loan origination system. With our solution, loan processing becomes more effective. By capturing out at the branch locations, electronically routing the documents in for handling within ImageNow, this allows the loan processing to become more effective and efficient.